Believe it or not, the gold may be one of the hardest pair to trade. Whether you're trading on Forex, whether you're trading in futures. But in today's video, you will learn exact setup that I get more than 70% win rate across all trades. Shall we start? First, let me show you what it look like when you get the signal. You get the sell signal, you get your take profits, not even one, you get three. And look what happened. All the TPs got smashed. The previous day low got hit. And how many dollars you made on this trade? Tell me, please. It's $140 signal in one trade. I know you're getting excited now. Let me introduce you the indicators that we're gonna use. First thing first, let's go to indicators tab and you will search for Fluxcharts and you will see SPX, Algo, and you will see the price section toolkit. Click both of them to add your chart. These are the two indicators that you have to use to get the best signals, okay? But there is one thing. I grabbed you 20% off right now if you wanna get it, and this is the best discount ever on the internet. Use code BORSA and grab it. Let me tell you what's gonna happen in the rest of the video. The first, I will teach you how you will execute taking the signals, including the confirmations, and I will show you step by step how you can get the same signals like me, okay? So let's get into it. After you get the strong sell signal, what you're looking for obviously is the confirmation. Let's type in the rules here, okay? High win rate rules. This is it. This is how we're gonna call it. So you're gonna get two type of signals, strong sell or sell, vice versa, okay? It's the same with the buy or sell. So the first confirmation you were looking for is the FVG or the IFG. The second confirmation you will look for is the cloud color, which is red or blue, simple as it is. And the third one is the bonus one. You can look for order block or the breaker block. These are the three confirmations you will look for after every signal. No confirmation, no trade. This was the recent signal. Now, let's roll the market and see what's gonna happen on the next one. I'm not cherry picking. I will roll the market until we get and we see the green dot over here, which is a live market data, baby. Now, let's talk about the strategy. What we gonna do, Borsa? We got the strong buy signal. Remember, the first rule, check. And we will look for FVG or IFG. What do we see? The IFG. The first confirmation is check, baby. And the second one, what is it? The cloud color. What is cloud, Borsa? The cloud is this thing over here, okay? It was red and now it returned to blue. It's your second and final confirmation. What do you want to do? You wanna just initiate a long position. I'm trading futures, but this is the same with if you go with the Forex, if you go with whatever thing you want, okay? We're trading just gold here. I'm going for 5 contracts just demonstration purposes, and what I wanna do is use the TP levels from the Fluxcharts Premium and stop loss. This is the most common question we get. I highly suggest you do your on due diligence, okay? It give you already this one. It's roughly sitting around like 1.54. Let's test it together. If you execute here and the final TP is here, and if you put your stop loss there, it's exactly at 1.5. But you can be a more realistic here. You can use the recent fair value gap over here, and it comes with what? The previous day low. These are the levels, okay, the previous week low, the previous day low. These are the levels that we just keep using no matter what the strategy we are using. Why? Because these are the major liquidities, like the London low, like the London high, Asia high, previous day low, previous day high, whatever it is. But these are a major liquidity levels. Now, my stop loss exactly at this point. Okay, if I see an inversion, I want to close this out. Easy as it is. But do you see what I tell you? Inversion. You have to wait for the candle closure if you want to just close this position out. Because you can get a lot of times something like this. Deep retest, then pulled back. You have to wait 3 minutes. Okay? then you just go for it. Now, what we're gonna do is we will roll the market like I promised until we get a live market data. This is it. Now, what do we get here? An order block. Okay, this is the third confirmation. Now, you can just go and enjoy what you want to do. Leave the position, put the partials, and just do what you want to do. Okay, what you want to take is a partial around this TP and this TP. Okay, let's roll the market. Market chops a little, no need to worry about. It came to my partial point, and like we discussed, what we gonna do? We will just took off. Okay, it took contracts here. Sell. Done, babe. Now, what I want to do is put the stop loss at the recent fair value gap below my execution point. In any way, no matter what, we're gonna make the money. Boom, baby. Now, what happened here? Tell me. Is it hard? No. Patience is the key. Look how many times it retested our patience and our levels. But what we do? We hold on to our position. I will just let it roll the market until we see green dot over here, okay? No cherry picking, ladies and gentlemen. With the 5 contracts, we made a $50,000, but you don't have to go with the 5 contracts. You can just go with the 2, you can just go with the micros. Don't get attached to numbers, but this is what it is, all right? If you go with the prop accounts, this is highly achievable. Now, what do you see here? The green dot. The market is open. Live data, okay? So these are the simple rules that can make or break your trading. Now, let's see the recent signals. This is the signal that we took. This is the signal that we discussed. So this signal closed at the break even. And what else we have, okay? This is strong sell, all TP levels hit. And you can see it's quite easy, right? This is the buy signal, TP levels hit. All the 3 ones. This is the sell signal. It closed a little at above the break even. So this is the buy signal. Hit the take profit. You got my point. It has more than 70% win rate, and it is more than enough to make money in trading. Obviously, there is no holy grail in trading, but the thing is, we play with the numbers, okay? We follow the system, we make money, and we move on. Enjoy the life. Now, as I promised, the final thing in this video will be the settings. Let's go to settings for the SPX algo. First thing you want to change is the trading style. You will choose a day trader. Trend length is medium term. Sensitivity is 9. This is the sweet spot for 3-minute time frame on gold futures. Okay, that's everything you need to change. Just hit the OK button. Now let's go to price action toolkit. It's one of my favorite. You will enable the fair value gaps, inversion fair value gaps, order blocks, the breaker blocks, the time frames is chart obviously, and you can enable equal highs and lows to get a beautiful chart. You can enable the trend lines. MTF highs and lows is very important, like we discussed. This previous day low, previous week low. Enable all of those, and that's everything you need. I promise you don't need a more complicated stuff. Easy as it is. 2 confirmation, 1 signal, green account. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Fluxcharts videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.